Designed with racing enthusiasts in mind, Tesla's launch mode was released in 2020. It gave a neat new feature for drivers to use when the need for speed strikes. Let's talk about what launch mode is, when to use it, and how to activate it. Tesla's launch mode is a driving mode designed to give instant, optimized acceleration on surfaces with good traction. It's similar to, but not the same as Tesla's ludicrous mode, which gives extra speed by diverting extra power from the battery to the engine. Launch mode is intended for people who like to drive in places like closed-circuit driving tracks where there aren't other cars or pedestrians to try to avoid. The vehicle has to be at a complete stop to initiate the launch mode process. The brakes also have to be warm and the wheels have to be straight. When you take your foot off the brake pedal, launch mode will automatically activate, shooting your Tesla forward like a rocket for a few seconds before automatically deactivating. To turn on Tesla launch mode, drive around for a few minutes to warm up your brakes, then set your Tesla's air suspension to low. Set the acceleration level to Insane Plus or Ludicrous Plus if available. At a complete stop, firmly hold down the brake pedal, shift into drive, and ensure that the steering wheel is straight. Then press the accelerator pedal down completely. Within a second, a message should appear on the instrument panel saying that launch mode is activated. Release the brake and the car will launch itself forward. Sounds pretty fun, right? But before you go trying it out, here are a couple extra things to keep in mind. Launch mode significantly lowers your front suspension, meaning your ground clearance will be affected. This mode is not available if slip start has been enabled, and launch mode only works when it's 37 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. It won't really affect your battery since it automatically deactivates after takeoff. But keep in mind that sharp acceleration like this can put extra wear and tear on your powertrain and other components. For more information on electric vehicles, including how to save hundreds of dollars a year when insuring your EV, hit the subscribe button or go to getjerry.com.